viewers from Chiang Mai. Well, today I'm heading from the Eastern Taipei Gate over to the North Gate. I'm going to do it walking. I'm going to cut through the city and I'm going to show you why Chiang Mai is probably still the coolest city in Thailand. I have no fixed plan today or fixed route. There's going to be a couple of temples on the route. There's going to be a few shops. I'm going to take you down a few of the little cool alleys that make Chiang Mai city centre what it is. A lot of tourists come to Chiang Mai for tours. There's a lot of tours available here. And this is typical of Chiang Mai. Just passing down the road. This beautiful temple here, just on the main road. I don't think there's anybody even in here. I'll take off my shoes and I'll go and have a look. I've got this place all to myself by the looks of it. Just leave these temples open. Anybody can just come inside. These beautiful ornaments, these Buddhas. Nobody steals anything. If this was in the UK, it would be ransacked. What beautiful artwork. Would you believe I'm the only person there? Right, pick up my shoes, we'll carry on this tour. Chiang Mai is surrounded by a big moat, which is here on my right. It goes all the way around the city, well, the old city. This is the Wat Dokum on Moon Muang Road. And as you head into the old city, all the lanes get smaller. They're just big enough for a motorbike or a car at a push. Lots of motorbike rental places. But I wouldn't bother unless you're experienced. And if you are experienced, just be careful. This is the main street, Moon Muang, by the moat. Has everything a tourist could want. And again, this is typical of Chiang Mai. Just walking along, another beautiful temple here. And it is low season at the moment, but there's not another soul around. Barefoot in Chiang Mai, the hippies are still around. And this temple's huge. Let's go and have a look. I'm not the only person in here. This place is beautiful. We've even got emerald Buddhas here. There's 2 other tourists around, but apart from that, it's empty. What a beautiful place. I know it's low season in Chiang Mai, but it's exceptionally quiet. And here we are at the North Gate. The North Gate of the Moat, going around the old city. There's signs everywhere telling you not to stand on it, not to walk on it, because it's in quite a state. It looks like it could fall down at any minute. Parts of it have been restored, other parts have left as it is. Just don't walk on it. Looks like it could fall apart at any minute. And again, typical of Chiang Mai, just around the corner, stumbled across another temple. Let's go and have a look at this one. And again, it looks like I've got it almost to myself. There's nobody else around. Chiang Mai is an amazing city. You just stumble across these sorts of things, just wandering around. And there's nobody else here by the looks of it. And it's beautiful. And it's open, I can go inside. Just take your shoes off. right opposite there's another small temple. No English writing on there. I'm not sure of the name of this. Is this fruit? I'm not sure. Everywhere you go in Chiang Mai, there's another hidden temple. Today I seem to have it all to myself. Right, next I'm heading down to the little alleys of Chiang Mai Centre. You can just about get a motorbike down some of them. Some of them are big enough for a car. I'm going to show you what the prices are around here. It's a little fruit market here. So I'll show you what things cost in Chiang Mai. And as you can see, Chiang Mai city centre is a city centre full of alleys. It's not hard to get lost. It's much easier if you've got maps downloaded on your phone. We've got some cool little shops down here. A lot of cool artwork. There's the gollywog. Chiang Mai is very artistic, and I don't think you'll find a room cheaper than this. 200 to 300. That's cheap. That's under $10 for a room. They have some cool little guest houses scattered around. The alleys are where it's at in Chiang Mai. They've got some fantastic artwork. It's very arty, is Chiang Mai. Which way do I go now? It's not hard to get lost here. Someone can't add up. 4,000 a week and 500 a day? I'd go for the day rate. And eventually, after about a 2-hour walk, I'm back here where I started, at the main Taipei gate, the eastern gate of the moat. This is where all the Asian girls come to get selfies. Selfies with the pigeons. Are there any of them out today? It's fairly quiet today. It's low season in Chiang Mai. But that was a walk around the centre of Chiang Mai. And here's the pigeons. What these guys do is get all the pigeons in the area, and the girl stands there, then they scare them away, and they get a photo from it. So that was my walk around the northeast end of the walled city. The walled city of Chiang Mai. Saw a few temples, a few alleys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon on the next video.